Hey, it's Spencer Bass. We're out here at Lively Point Skate Park in Irving, Texas, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about my bike. I'm currently riding the Hyper Kramer frame, Scotty Kramer's signature frame. On my front end, I'm running Alienation NYC bars with a Mutiny lifted stem and Sunday Octave forks. I'm running a Odyssey gyro setup, full Odyssey cables, lever, rotator, and brakes. For the tires, I'm running Alienation graffiti tires. My front rim is an Alienation Skylark laced to Alienation Tin Man hub with a kink light peg in the front. And then in the back I have a Shadow BTR hub with a 9-tooth driver, Alienation Felon rim with graffiti tire as well, and Shadow peg. I'm really stoked on the pedals I'm riding right now. They're VP Vice pedals. They were originally mountain bike, and VP decided, okay, we want to get into BMX, and their pedals ended up working out really well. For my cranks, I'm running Primo Power Bites, and then a Shadow Chain Tree pivotal seat. When I was at Woodward, the Tree guys were actually really cool and nice enough. I broke my seat, and they were nice enough to give me a good deal on this Tree one, and I've been riding it for the past 3 months and liked it a lot. To keep my pedals from spinning on tail whips and different things, I've actually put a tire in between the sprocket and bottom bracket so that my cranks stay exactly where I want them. I'm running ODI grips with ODI bar ends, pretty trusted.